Go. So for meta ads, we want to return back to the Shopify App Store. And this time we want to install the Facebook app. This is also free, just like the TikTok app. So get it installed on your store. Facebook does have a few more steps, unfortunately. So I'll need to work with what I have available here. Okay, so we're inside the Facebook app. We're going to click on Get Started here. And it's very similar to the TikTok setup. We just want to keep on clicking next. So first, we need to connect our Facebook profile. And I will say, if you have been banned in the past, very simply, go talk to a family member, a parent, a sibling, a cousin, aunt, uncle, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is. Let them use your account for ads. Now for the business assets, here we can create a new page for our store. So what I recommend you do is go to facebook.com. You want to come to see more here, and you want to scroll down until you see pages, and you want to create a new page for your store. Now, I got to be honest, guys. I have created so many pages on this profile. Facebook doesn't let me create anymore. I need to go pay my plug like 30, 50 bucks every time I want a page, those bastards. But what I recommend, you name your page directly after your store. This is a backup page I have that we're going to run the ads off of, Luke's Curations. This should be fine for now. But just realize, create a page directly on Facebook, add your profile picture, and then you'll be able to link that page in your settings. And I have an error here because, again, I bought this page from a plug. So I just messaged them, but I should get this added momentarily to my store. Continuing on to data sharing. So just choose maximum, save that, get all the data you can. And then here you'll need to select a pixel. So if you've never made a pixel before, you can create a new pixel at the bottom. However, you can reuse pixels. It's not always the end of the world. And then for business details, just click save, agree to the terms of service, submit this for review. You're going to be good. Now give this like 20, 30 seconds. It's going to finalize your shop, and then we're good to go configure our settings on Facebook and then go launch our campaign. There is a little more layers compared to TikTok, but it is worth it, definitely. So it's been 4.5 hours just about since I started preparing for today's video. So I had to go get some slides prepared. I had to do some stuff beforehand. But my point is, if you just started watching this video with no experience, within 4 hours, you can have a product, a store built, a product page, and you can be on your way to launch ads, which is pretty crazy. So the Facebook app is officially installed. And real quick, make sure you guys uploaded your profile picture to your Facebook page. If you follow directions earlier, you should have saved a profile picture ahead of time when we made the logo. So just upload that here. Now we want to go to business.facebook.com, and there's a few quick steps we need to do before we can launch our campaign. So on here, I want you to click your ads manager and come to your campaigns. This will pull open our ad account. Now you want to come up top here, select this dropdown, and you may need to select your business manager, and then you may need to select your specific ad account that you created during the Facebook app installation. So here's my ad account, and if you ever need help redirecting back to here, you just click these 3 lines for all tools, select your ads manager, and then again, you choose your proper ad account from the dropdown. Before we schedule though, we need to come to the settings gear and open our business manager settings. And I think there's 3 quick things we need to do. Under accounts, click pages. And you want to add your page you just created. So we can type in Luke's Curations. We'll see our page here. We click that. We should be able to click next and then scroll down, agree to the terms, add the page. Of course, you got to verify 2FA, bastards. There we go. Okay. Page is added to our Meta account. And what you'll want to do is come to assign access. Select your profile from the left sidebar. In fact, you can just select all here, select everything, scroll down and just give full everything permissions. And I want you to click assign. From there, come back to accounts, come to add accounts, and you will see the ad account you just created here. So select your ad account and you want to come to assign access. Again, select all and just give full permissions here and click assign. What we're doing is giving ourselves access to the page and then access to the ad account. And there's one more option under data sets. you want to come to data sets in pixels, and you should see the pixel that you attach to your store during the Facebook app installation. So select your pixel here, and just like last time, you want to come to People, Assign Access, select All, and you want to give full permissions, click Assign, and then also come to Connected Assets, Connect Asset, Other Business Assets, and you want to find your ad account and then add that to the pixel. It's quite a bit of steps, but it is necessary. And there's one last thing we can do under brand safety. We can click domains and actually validate our domain. This isn't needed, but it's so simple you might as well just do it. So click add domain. We're going to create a domain. We're going to paste our domain in here, click add. And you'll notice it says not verified. So they're going to give us some quick code. All we need to do is go paste this in our stores directory. So we're going to copy this code right here. You see this line of code, copy that. On Shopify, return to online store. You want to click these 3 dots and then you want to click edit code. Inside of here, we want to come to, I believe it's layout, theme liquid, right inside a head here, tab down, paste that, click save, just click save a few times, boom, boom, boom. And then on Meta, we should be able to verify the domain. You may need to click it a few times, by the way. Just click it like 3-4 times. Boom, now it's verified. With that done, we can go schedule the campaign. So click all tools from the left sidebar, come back to the ads manager. From here, we want to create our campaign. And one more time, make sure you are on the correct ad account. You may need to select that up here, but click create. We're going to go for a sales campaign. We want purchases back on our website. And again, I'm going to go quick. I have a full setup in the Discord and also on the other YouTube channel. So I don't want to be a broken record, but I at least want to take you through it. So this is going to be our herbal pen test. We can scroll down, campaign budget, throw this to $50, just like TikTok. So tomorrow I'm spending $50 on TikTok plus $50 on Meta, and I'm gonna let both these run for 2 days. So we're gonna click next here. Now this is our ad set. So we can call this all creatives. It is literally the same exact setup we did on TikTok, just over on Meta. And for the conversion location, you wanna go to a single event and just choose website. For the data set, here you wanna select your pixel, and then for the conversion event, you wanna go for purchases. And it's okay if it's grayed out on Meta, you should still be able to select it. Scroll down then a bit more. For the schedule, again, you should schedule your ads for midnight the next day, but I'm trying to bang this video out pretty quick. I'm a little slammed on time, so I'm just gonna have these ads go live over the next 10 minutes or so. Should be perfectly fine. From here, we have the countries. This is different than TikTok. Reminder, with TikTok, you're limited to where you can sell. If you're in the UK, you can't sell USA. If you're USA, you can't sell UK. But Meta, we can sell wherever. So I would recommend you sell to the United Kingdom, sell to the United States. We're gonna remove Turkey here. We're gonna add Canada, which I kind of misspelled that there. We're gonna add Canada. And then we're also going to add Australia. And this is what they call the big 4 countries because it's the main 4 English-speaking countries of the world. Scroll down then, you can scroll past all of this, not really important. And don't check this, by the way. Like some people freak out, do I need to check this? You're not selling like credit repair, financing, other bullshit. You're good, click on next. Now this is where we update our creatives. So again, we'll call this Creative 1. Here we'll select our Facebook page, Luke's Creations, and you don't need an Instagram account or a Threads profile. You can just hit use Facebook page for both of those and you'll be perfectly fine. For ad setup then, we wanna do a manual setup here. Uncheck multi-advertisement ads. We don't want our ads alongside anyone else. For destination website, here we need our product page. So we'll select our product again, copy the URL up top, can paste that in there. And then underneath personalized destinations, click edit here. Sometimes Meta turns these on. Disable all of these. There was a big glitch like a month ago. You wouldn't be able to publish your ads and it was telling you it was because you needed an Instagram account, but in reality, it was from these personalization destinations. So just disable those. They can be a pain in the ass. Now for our creatives here, what I'm gonna do is we are going to launch 3 images and 2 videos. So for this promotions, make sure this is off. Branding, make sure this is off. Site links, we want to disable this, turn that off. And then products here, we're going to disable our product catalog as well. Just turn all of those off, make your life easy. Now this is our media here. So we're going to upload. For some reason, it is very slow today. They're image ads. They should go pretty instant, but that's okay. Hurry up. Okay, all 3 images are uploaded. Here's image 1. We're going to move on to next. Skip past the cropping. For the text, we actually need to go generate some text here. So on Claude, I'm just going to say, generate me Facebook ad, primary text, headline, description. Use Ada framework, simple, grade 5 reading level, active direct language. Boom, send that into Claude. This will spit out the text for us. Then we can go schedule. And this should be decent. Let's see. Your lungs are still holding onto the years of tar and buildup. Even if you quit, most people try patches, gum, willpower, relapse. Pure air does. I just need to update this to our product name. We got social proof. We got benefits. You keep your ritual, you lose your poison. That's decent. Can you just add 1 sentence at the bottom, like click shop now to get yours? Also, don't just say pure air. Call it the full product name. Thank you. So again, you can talk a lot faster than you can type. Please implement that into your business, guys. So we're just going to copy all this text here, paste it in. We got to split it up a little bit. Okay, primary text is done. Don't worry about the suggestions. Headline, I'm just going to say breathe easy, quit for good. I like that. Sounds nice. I just took it from right here. And then for the description, you can just say like 100,000 plus happy customers. And I'm going to go to Emojipedia actually. Let me just get a leaf icon. Sometimes I'll do like a smiley face here, but I think a leaf will be good. Little leaf. What just happened? My shit crashed. It's like I have a meeting in 10 minutes, so I'm trying to get this campaign scheduled in time. But come on, bro. Of course, the classic meta authentication. Let's go through it. This is a raw course. This type of BS happens all the time, you know? Okay, they're going to send me an email code. Let's go pull that up. Okay, thank you. We are back to running our ads. Again, you get these curveballs every now and then, which kind of suck, but hey, it does happen. Also, you can disable any enhancements if it asks you. So just click through these. And now finally, we have our first ad uploaded. My meta crashed like 2 times. That's not normal. It usually doesn't do that. But every now and then when you record, you run into some BS. Let's finalize this though. We need to create 4 more duplicates. So I'm doing 3 image ads, plus I am doing 2 video ads. So we'll update the name, creative 2, scroll down, edit the media. And now we select image 2 and we can publish that. Then we come to the next creative 3. We can edit this media too. So edit that, boom, just keep clicking next, get it published. Okay, and now we have the last 2. So we have creative number 4. And this time, we need to add a video. So I'm just going to take 2 of the videos we are running on TikTok, and I'm going to upload these directly into Meta. Okay, video 1. Oh, please upload faster. Something's going on with Meta today. It's a little slow. No worries, though. Okay, so these last 2 ads are taking a super long time to upload. I have a team meeting in 2 minutes, so I need to wrap up this recording here. But once I'm done with that meeting, these ads should be uploaded. I'm going to publish this entire campaign on Meta. All you got to do is click review and publish. Should be able to get this set up. And then again, I'm going to let Meta and TikTok both go 48 hours, go 2 full days at the $50 budgets each. And then I will check back in with you guys 2 days from now to review the results and to figure out what the best next steps are. But ladies and gentlemen, that is it for our day 0 setup. I hope you guys got some value. Reminder, all relevant links down below. And with that said, I will catch you guys shortly.